welcome to a new video of You Make Garden Plans. Today I'm going to do a update video of my previous video I did last year about my iris seeds that I have planted. And I planted these seeds in March and they have gone through a winter period. And now it is July, and as you can see, they have grown a little bit now. Behind there is another one from the 3, and this one is still empty. I guess they are not going to sprout. We are now a little bit further, and as you can see, this one is still empty. The other ones are still growing, so that's good. Thank you for watching to this video. Bye bye.